Hey guys, I'm going to quickly explain on how to do your quadratic function when they want you to express it in this format: x plus m bracket square plus n. They ask you to find m plus n, which is m here, n here. So they want you to change this function that they give to you to this format. That's what they want you to do. So how do you do that? Very simple. Use completing by square. So you take the function that they give you, x squared plus 4x minus 12. You do completing by square. So x squared plus 4x plus b over 2 squared minus 12, which is what was given here. And then you minus it again, b over 2 squared. So you have to plus the b over 2 squared and you have to minus b over 2 squared. Okay, just remember that. Then what needs to happen is then you solve it lah. You get x squared plus 4x plus 4 over 2, because b is 4, right? So 4 over 2 squared minus 12 minus 4 over 2 squared. So you solve it, this you divide it, this one becomes x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared minus 12 minus 2 squared. Okay, and then from that point of view, you can basically see this part can be translated into a new format, which is the one that we're trying to do for completing the square. You have to, you look at, remember how to look at this, you look at the three first numbers and you can basically turn this into a bracket squared, which is this. You look at x squared, you look at 2, then you do this, x plus 2 bracket squared. X plus 2 squared is equals to this. Okay, and then minus 16, because minus 12 minus 4, so it becomes minus 16. And then you will realize that this answer is similar to the format that they want you to find. So what's your m? You can see the m is 2. You can see the n is negative 16. That's how you get the answer. So that's how you solve this kind of question. When they give you a quadratic function, they ask you to express it in this format. You just do completing the square. So the key, all you need to remember is you got a plus b over 2 squared and minus b over 2 squared. Okay, you plus b over 2 squared after your x. You see x squared, then you see 4x, then okay, then you know you have to plus b over 2 squared first before your c. Okay, and then when you plus the b over 2 squared here, you must also minus your b over 2 squared after your c. And then yeah, you solve blah blah blah. And then the second important thing is that when you realize the first three numbers can be changed into a bracket squared, that's your answer already. Then you can see, like I say, how to do this. You just look at x squared here, then you look at the last number here, the third number, and you just know x plus 2, then x plus 2 squared minus 16. And that's how you get this format, and that's how you get m and n.